And the day I decided to go to the gym was the day the Asian session was really good. Asian session was popping last night. What do you think about the EJ though? Looks like a pretty decent consolidation there.
Yeah, it does. I'll put a I'll put a order there for sure. See if maybe it happens.
Let's see something.
I think gold is at the level that screwed us over last time, right? Is that the same level?
No, it's above it.
Oh no, wait, I was looking at. No, no, it's at the same level. Right, right, right below it.
Oh
Like
yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right. There's the same one.
a week, man. Just
I'll
playing
try.
games.
I'll try it again though. But honestly, I'll be a little bit surprised if it keeps going up. When gold starts really moving up, the move is gonna be massive. Like it's gonna be like a freaking tidal wave kind of move. Because like based on like the daily chart, like if this whole pullback here is just a correction, I think when gold starts moving again, it'll probably go and retest the highs. So it should be like a huge move up all the way up to into the 2000 levels and possibly above. So that's really the move you want.
Damn, you're just breaking the thing.
What you said, UJ?
EJ's breaking the consolidation. I did it set in order.
Well, I'm pretty sure it's not going to move quickly. I'll say that. So if you want it, like there's still plenty of opportunity to get in. Let me see. I'll watch the close actually. Um, and if it does close bullish, and I'll take a shot with it. So we got EJ. Let me get a couple of trading view windows up here. It's easier to watch things. Yeah, I'm not really that trusting of EJ. Like, looking at like EU, a lot of wick rejections right here.
On EJ?
Well, I'm looking at EU and I'm seeing a bunch of wick rejections after this big move up. Kind of far removed from the moving average too. It's like a very likely pullback is coming. Yeah, complete fake out right there. So let's see about the next candle. Maybe that wick can get filled in the 5 minute, maybe.
It's a round number too.
125.
Yeah. Right where it touch. That's crazy. Ugh, same shit, different day.
Pretty much, man. Yeah, that EJ is looking pretty weak right now. Damn. All right, keep it moving. AJ's up pretty good. Damn, yeah, that looks like it's going straight to the next level right here.
Hmm? What'd you
AJ.
say?
AJ looks like it's going straight to the next level. Like, check it out. Well, this is the setup here on the 15, right? Not bad. Um, then on the higher time frames, looks like we have pretty clear traffic all the way up to like 76.3 levels. A sweet little move.
That's eight. Oh, that's AJ.
Yes, AJ. Kind of like the rest of the JPY pairs are looking pretty similar. Well, AJ and NJ at least are. But Euro has weakness right now. It looks like that's why EJ is not really moving. Because UJ is moving too. Let me see some AJ here. What kind of risk are we talking? 8 pips at max. Maybe give it that much, like 7 pips. And target, we got probably 15 pips, 2 to 1. rock with a little bit of AJ, bro. So let me get in there.
And AJ.
Yeah, I got in there. Let's see what happens. Small possessions, of course, but
Yeah.
stop losses are okay. Let's see if this could hold up. Damn, I risked almost nothing in this. Jeez.
My lyrics up. I guess I'm happy I didn't set an order there.
On EJ.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm in AJ, but my entry is a little far away. I didn't end up risking pretty much anything. Just under like point 0.2 of not even
Mm.
that. How long has the LLC been open that we have?
Uh, relative trading. It's
Hmm.
probably a year. No, not a year. We did it this year. We did it right before I started this March. About March. Yeah, 6 months, something like that. Why?
Gotcha. No, I just want to know. I was thinking yesterday, like when we finally get going and we could like do a like joint account and everything like that. Just do like a bank account for it, and just start building it up a little bit.
Yeah.
We should do some background music like these guys do. It's pretty nice.
Have background music on the live stream.
It's like it's like well, check it out. I can't really explain it, but you just kind of have to hear it for yourself. It's nice though because it breaks up like the monotony and the just the silent moments, especially for somebody who's tuned in.
Where what is it called?
Wicks don't lie.
Oh, it's those guys.
He's live right now, and you could hear his background music. It's pretty. It's relaxing. It's nice. EJ on the move. Not really.
Oh, you barely hear it, but I know. Yeah, but I can hear it.
It's a nice touch, though.
Yeah.
Of course, it has to be like YouTube approved background music because you can't just play anything. But
Fuck it, we just play music
on, like, actually not through the thing, just play music.
What do you mean?
Like, play music on the live stream, so on the outside through the microphone, so microphone can hear it.
I don't think. Well, do you think it'll come out the same way?
No.
It definitely won't, right?
No, I don't think so. But I mean, it's a very light though, so if you just put kind of very like background like they're doing, I think you won't tell the difference.
I gotta research how to do it. 'Cause I know, like in some vlogs that I watch, you know how like some people put like the background music on the vlogs to kind of like give it that feel.
Yeah.
However they do it, I'm pretty sure it's like the same way. But again, it has to be like copyright approved and all that stuff. You can't just play anything.
These guys just trade GJ.
Huh?
Oh, they're looking at EJ too.
All he trades is GJ and sometimes gold. He just looks at those other charts, but all he trades is GJ and gold. But his scalping strategy is, I'd say, it's very aggressive, but it makes a lot of sense and it's high probability.
Oh, what does he do?
Like for example, I saw him looking at this GJ setup right here, and I know exactly his thought process, right? Like check it out. So he's looking on like the 15 or the 30, right?
Yeah.
His name is Wicks Don't Lie for a reason now. So like situations like this where like you have a large gathering of wicks, this wick rejection, right? So okay, so that means that to him, obviously price does not want to go down here, right? So price also created wick resistance here at this level. So I'm pretty sure like his thought process would be, all right, if the market breaks these wicks right here, then you have clear traffic up to like this point right here, or like you have potential selling pressure by this wick up here. So the distance between this line and this line would be like your trade, pretty much. So
Right.
you enter like just above these wicks and you'll be aiming for like the top of that candle right there. But he's doing that with large position sizes, right? Like, so he's gonna make quite a bit of money just taking that one trade right there for the day. He probably takes like one or two trades a day.
Right. Hmm.
Yeah. And he also stacks. So he won't enter just like one static position. Like he'll have multiple, and then he'll scale out of it if it's not going well. So he doesn't take like the complete loss, or like he'll may even scale into it more if he sees situations where it could benefit him to do that.
Right.
So
Check out the live stream real quick. Our live stream.
yeah,
Hold on. Wait until it catches up. What do you think about that?
the side by side,
Yeah.
it's pretty cool.
That way, I don't know why I didn't think about this before, but that way,
Like when I'm talking, it'll make
yeah,
sense.
exactly. Because that's why I was like, what are you saying? What are you saying right now is what other people need to hear. So, and then I dragged it
Right.
and shared. The only thing is that,
It reduces your screen size.
yeah, and no, and not just that. Well, yeah, that's that, but I'm so confused. There's too many screens right now open. Um, why does it look so weird? Your screen, your actual
Like,
chart, the chart. There you go. All right. Just want to see how it looks.
look better now.
It's catching up. Waiting for it.
Damn, it's that delayed.
Yeah, it's
Sheesh.
about 10 seconds more or less.
It's
Okay,
kind of
now
loud.
it's. I mean, it looks tiny, but whatever. It's better than nothing.
I should have. I wish I would have caught like this AJ situation sooner. I would have entered sooner. That way, I would have taken a trade that makes more sense as far as my position size. Because the trade is doing fairly well right now, but like I said, I risk almost nothing. So this is pretty much meaningless. What's happening?
Right.
Man, my boy, he sent me a picture yesterday of like his backyard, and there were like three iguanas in the backyard. And then he sent me like another picture of the front, and there were like another six in the front.
What? Where does it
Yeah,
live?
in Miami Lakes.
What? That's crazy.
But the iguana infestation down here is so bad, man.
Really?
They're everywhere,
I didn't even know that. Is that because people probably bought them as pets and just let them go?
and they're just completely just wrecking the ecosystem.
Same thing as the pythons, killing everything in the
The
Everglades.
pythons.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, the snakes. Yeah,
yeah. Even the alligators, pythons are eating them.
yeah.
Not necessarily big alligators, but they'll eat the little ones. And then so there's like an infestation of python in the Everglades
Yeah,
for years.
because people will get them, they'll grow too big, and they'll let them go.
Yeah,
But the iguana problem down here, man, it's ridiculous. Like, I go to my sister's house. It's like it's like Miramar, but she has like a lake in the back. Man, that lake, bro. Like, if you sit out there with like a pair of binoculars, like you could spot iguanas for days.
yeah.
They're just all over the place.
They're big.
Yeah, they can get really big. Yeah,
When I was in Gitmo, there would be iguanas everywhere too, and like big old iguanas, and they were protected. Like nobody could hurt them. There would be
yeah.
like a fine and everything. Because in Cuba, they'll eat them, so they were like almost extinct down there.
Damn.
Some type of iguana there, and then there was also a lot of banana. What we called, well, they called banana rats. which is like a big ass rat looking thing. Um, and I don't think those were protected, but since they eat them in Cuba too, there's like there are a bunch of them everywhere, like everywhere. Like I remember going to I had to walk like just like let's say like I don't know a few feet, like a quarter of a mile to go to the gym. And when I was working night shifts, I'll go to the gym like at 3 in the morning. And at night they will like be just hurling around the street on the road. So I had to like you had to like kind of walk around them and shit.
They eat these things?
Yeah, in Cuba they'll eat anything, bro. Oh, you look at it, yeah, yeah, that's the rats.
Man, that's disgusting. It's just a huge rat.
Yeah, it's a huge rat. When there was a unit from Puerto Rico that got there too, they actually grabbed one and cooked it, grilled it, and ate it.
Jeez.
Yeah.
It's a huge, it's literally a rat.
Yeah.
I mean, oh man, that's beyond me.
I don't know if that's the one.
Hmm?
No, I'm just trying to think if that's the one. No, that's not the one. Those are just rats.
No, those are banana rats. I googled specifically.
But they're
Banana.
just eating bananas, and that's not why they call them banana rats.
Oh, they actually eat bananas? Well, I mean, a rat will eat anything. But
Yeah, it's pretty much yeah, that's what they are. They're huge rats. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, actually, I remember. I actually have a video of this huge iguana chasing us for no reason.
man, nah, I don't like iguanas at all. I couldn't fathom the thought of eating one. I've heard people do it, but
Bro, people will eat anything, just depending on where. Bro,
yeah,
people eat monkeys.
I don't like any kind of lizard at all. So eating a monkey, man, that sounds horrible. Jesus.
Yep. You know, that Discovery Channel show with this guy goes on the road eating all this type of crazy shit.
Yeah,
Well, he went to Nicaragua and to the jungle and shit, and they served him some like monkey brain or some shit,
yeah,
and he threw up.
yeah.
all the shit that guy is eating. Imagine how nasty that thing have to be.
Apparently, that's a delicacy like in China. Monkey brain.
Yeah, that's the thing. Fuck that.
Kind of
Delicacy
makes
my
me really
ass.
glad I stopped eating meat. I mean, thinking about that is like, oh my god.
Delicacy like fucking lobsters are delicacies and they're cockroaches. They're huge cockroaches in the ocean.
Don't remind me because they're so freaking good. It's stupid. Damn, this was a great freaking trade. Damn.
Now looking at AU would have been good too. Looks like
Yeah. All these Australian pairs are doing well.
yeah, looks like the Australian dollar is getting some.
So it'll make a lot of sense to take profit like right around here, this far removed from the moving average. But I mean, it doesn't even matter. I guess for the sake of playing the trade properly, I guess I'll take profit there. But
Tiny baby profit.
yeah, I can't even call that profit. Like it would be a break even in most scenarios, if that. Like $18. The hell was that?
Why $18?
My position size, point one.
But where you took it is not where you have on the screen right now.
No, it is.
That looks like a 1-to-1 to me. So you risk $18?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Like I risk pretty much nothing on this trade. It's like not even. It's like point one or like hardly.
Jesus.
Yeah. That's because I wasn't completely comfortable with my entry. I wanted to get in lower, closer to the moving average, but it worked out.
Hmm. Yeah, AU would have been good.
Let's see how's EJ doing. EJ looks like it's trying to make this move. It's kind of late to the party though. This huge AJ move that just happened, and EJ is just barely poking its head out. I don't like it. Let's see, GJ. What's up with that?
We're back, bro.
Yeah. Well, hey, morning. Man, that's a pretty big movie. You see that?
Look, you just made a move.
Man, you see this GJ in one shot.
Huh?
This GJ did it in one shot. And all this NU and AU move was nice too.
Yeah, he was.
AU was really good.
He
But this
was really
AJ,
good.
this AJ was really good. This shot it all the way up there. I didn't think it'll go straight there like that.
Shit.
This GJ did the same. It filled that range I was talking about in like one finger. As soon as it broke through.
From the law you've received. This is a message from the law firm of Morgan & Morgan. We've received your online inquiry.
Morgan.
That AU move, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
Jesus.
It's still going.
And EJ was there fucking around. Definitely looking at the wrong pair today.
Yep. I should have went in on this GJ. The setup was good. Although it's not what I usually do, but
I like GJ. GJ's at the has a resistance forming on for like the 30-minute or something.
yeah, just for this one flash move that I already made, I liked it for that. Anything else, I don't know. But
It's forming up a zone, but it's probably not gonna happen this week. There's something to look at for next week. I'm actually gonna put an alert there. Don't forget. Bam.
I had a lot of good moves this morning, actually. A lot of it. Look at NJ. Jeez. Out of there.
UCAD.
Damn. Cad Yen. Out of there. I like it though. It means that the market's not so damn stagnant anymore.
Hopefully.
Gold. Gold never moved. Damn. I wouldn't have taken that trade, but still. Yeah, Euro's been pretty weak. I'm not sure what's going on with that. UCAD again hit that moving average and just died. Yeah, cool. So I'm expecting next week to be a bang up week, man.
Hopefully.
Next week will make up for the entire month of September in one shot. Could.
Hopefully.
Bless you.
Very bad.
What's up with it?
How
Yeah.
many hours, bro? How many hours?
Yeah, I'm just looking on in appreciation of the moves right now. Like, look at this
See the
AJ. Man, if I would have just went balls to the walls on that, oh boy, payday. I didn't expect it to perform this well though. Between AJ, NJ, CJ, like um, EJ actually went and did his thing now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, UCAD, AU, NU. Jeez, even Swiss Frank starting to get into the mix now.
Well, at least there's light at the end of the tunnel. Things picking up.
Yeah, and that EJ just ended up doing what it's supposed to do.
What it's supposed to do. That's funny.
That's what it's supposed to do.
That goes to
Yeah,
show how bad things have been. Things are not doing what they're supposed to do.
Pretty much, yeah. So what that means is next week I'm going back in, man. Full risk now. Starting to see what I want.
Yeah, for sure. I'm ready.
Just smart trades. That's all it is. Just be
Huh?
smart. Just smart trades. That's really all it is, man. Just
Yeah.
use your noodle a little bit, and you really can't lose doing this, man. Can't lose. Well, not literally, I mean, but I mean in the long run.
Yeah, yeah.
Man, my sister hit me up yesterday, and she's like, "Oh, some guy's trying to get her to sign up for this thing where they teach you forex, and you pay them like $250 a month. You pay them like $250 to get in, and then you pay like another $150 a month, and
Jesus.
then you get more people, and then you get them to sign up, and then when they sign up, then that takes your monthly subscription down, so you don't have to pay as much a month, and then like you put in
Basically, a
like
pyramid scheme.
yeah, and then you put in like 500, and they give you like $1,000 on top of that, so you can trade with it, and anything you make on top of your 500 is yours, but you can't touch their 1,000 or like some kind of. I was like, man, sounds like some on Marcus Live BS, and she was like, um, when the guy was showing her the stuff, like I guess when he logged into his portal or dashboard or whatever it is, like it said iMarkets Live in there, so she recognized when I said that name. I was like, oh, okay, so you're dealing with some classic pyramid scheme BS right there. Like, man, if you want to learn how to trade forex, I've been doing this for quite a while now, so just let me know. And then she's like, yeah, I saw this guy on Instagram, this guy named Q, and you know, he just posted that he took 20 and turned it into 120 in 1 week, and then he bought a new Ferrari and a new condo.
Oh my god.
I'm like, well, that's not exactly how this works. Not to say that it's impossible, but don't have those kind of expectations.
But unlikely.
It's reckless. Not that it's unlikely. I mean, if I really tried, like, if I took 20K, right, and I just didn't care about losing it, I could probably do that. You take, I mean, all you got to do is over leverage yourself enough and then win your trades, right? So you just pick good trades and you're super over leveraged. Maybe you stack onto a few of them. And yeah, like, you could do it, but like, why would you be that reckless with 20K though? Because you know the risks that come with that. You can
Yeah,
easily blow it up.
yeah, exactly.
So that's the whole thing right there. But really, like, depending on your mindset, any experienced trader I think could do that. Like any experienced trader, you could do it. It's not like you have some skill that's just unknown to most human beings. Like you're just super aggressive. That's all it is.
Yeah, that's true. But the thing is, if you're being that aggressive, you're also gonna lose a lot of money. It's
Yeah, and
inevitable.
and that's the thing. Like you have to be you have to be completely comfortable with that fact that your 20K could very well disappear when you're operating that way. Or you could or you could probably make 100K, like in his case, right? Like
Yeah.
it's really do or die, sink or swim when that's the way you're doing things. But it's not like you're some kind of guru or anything like that. Like, or you have like the secret sauce. Like, come on, man. You're doing the same thing as everybody else. You're just being hella risky with it. Like I was telling you, man, like those guys could do that because they're like, they're selling 5-day courses at like $1,000 a pop with like 10 people ahead, 10 people a class, you know? So after you complete a few of those, okay, you got like, I don't know, 30, 40 grand set aside. Then yeah, let's take 20 and let's throw it at the market and see what happens.
All right.
Like it's a whole different ballgame when you're doing it that way. But when like you work for every dime of that money that you put in your account, like you're gonna treat it way different.
Yep. We do have to fund that account we talked about, and so we could do this aggressive.
Yeah, I'm really ready when you are.
I'm not ready yet.
We could ease our way into it by having a few good weeks on the charts here. Then afterwards,
Yeah, exactly.
that'll be a good
That's
way to have some momentum going into that.
yeah. That's exactly what I was thinking. We're talking about education right now because some
Hmm.
student asked on the for my niece's class asked the teacher, do we have to do the study guide or do we just study? Lodi was like, what? What does that mean?
Well, maybe the study guide is an assignment. Maybe
No, no,
no.
no, because she asked my niece, and my niece isn't like, no, it's like a
Mm.
PowerPoint of the book or the chapters or some shit. Then we started talking about like education and how like the mentality of like tell me the answers before you ask me, and then I'll prepare for those questions, and then I can be able to answer you.
Yeah, it's true. That's kind of how it is. So you're not really learning anything there.
Nope. All right, all right.
I finally got my picture to load on my profile on my portfolio site.
Yeah, what you do?
I had to refactor the image,
Refactor? What does that mean?
meaning like Um, I guess just like redo it, resize it, um, change the file format, and it worked. But it's still not perfect. Like I'll show you. Like I only worked on it for like an hour, hour and a half yesterday. I finally got it to work, and then I kind of put it away after that. Um, so 9:30 open. Let's see what that brings. 5 minutes. We got any setups leading into that?
No. What about the? I thought you were gonna show me a website.
Yeah, I am. It's loading.
Oh. No, I don't have anything, bro. What I had is what happened. I think we missed everything today. Plus, it's Friday, you know. So. You saw the Wixel Night guy? He had this little caption at the bottom. Did you saw what it said?
Which one? He has a lot of them.
He had a thing that says, "Don't overtrade." What is
On
it?
Fridays.
On Fridays. There you go. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And something else, but I just
Yeah, because you don't want to. Pretty much what he's saying is, all the work that you did during the week, you don't want to piss it away on Friday, and then go into the weekend and feeling sad about it.
yeah.
So,
I didn't do any work, so it's like, man.
well, you should never overtrade on any day, to be
Yeah.
honest. But he really posts that for like the rookie traders who are following him and just trying to like do everything that he says.
Yeah. It's good though. It's good advice.
Yeah.
At least it's not shit like, buy a Ferrari with your first trade advice type of thing.
He doesn't do stuff like that. He advises, man, if you're making good money trading, invest it into like real estate. He also advises, like, don't aim to be the guy who just wants to trade for a living. Like as soon as you get started, right? Like as soon as you start trading, like, oh, you want this to be your sole source of income.
Yeah, which
Like-
is everybody thinks.
Yeah, he advises not to do that. Like, man, keep a day job, keep a side hustle, keep all kind of other things going, and then trade on the side. Like it's much better for your psychology. And I appreciate that because that's real. It takes
Yeah.
years to properly, become a full-time independent trader.
Yeah.
But here's my website here. Like it doesn't size properly yet, but at least it's there. Because this is too big the way it is here. But at least I got it to load now.
Right. But that picture is in the Jumbotron, right?
Yeah, it's in the Jumbotron. Yeah.
So how is it bigger than the Jumbotron?
It's not bigger than Jumbotron. The problem is that, like, if I inspect, like, the problem is the Jumbotron, like, when I expand this screen size, like, this whole thing right here that I just highlighted is the Jumbotron.
Mm-hmm.
So the picture it's adjusting to the size of the Jumbotron. So what I have to do is make sure that pretty much get my media queries on point where, like, if I expand the screen or decrease the screen size, then the Jumbotron doesn't over expand.
Right.
And that's what's happening. So the Jumbotron is like now it's this big, so the picture fits the size or fits the height of the Jumbotron, which is way too big.
So you just need some like CSS.
Yeah, I got to make sure that the Jumbotron does not expand too big, because if I do this, like if I make it full screen, the Jumbotron goes huge. It
Right.
pretty much takes up the entire thing, and then my picture is like this gigantic thing.
Right.
So Yeah, I gotta play around with the jumbotron a bit, but I'll probably do that this weekend sometime. I'm working on some other stuff.
Yeah, I remember that. I remember having to write stuff where it was like if like the size of the screen was this, then this. If the size of the screen was that to this, then this. Shit like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, it's a media query. Yeah,
It was a pain in the ass.
it sucks. Like I'm using Bootstrap, so um, the point is of using Bootstrap is not to have to do media queries because it's supposed to be out of the box responsive to screen size. But in my actual code, I have to tell it, okay, Jumbotron should be this size on this screen. Like
Right.
I have to go in and do all that. So
Yeah, like if greater than this pixels, then fucking do this size and greater. I
yeah,
remember that.
that's CSS. That's a lot of well, that's a few lines of code, but I'm not gonna do that. In Bootstrap. All you have to do is like, okay, XS like means like extra small screen, which is like a phone screen,
Right. Yeah, yeah. I
and
remember
then
that.
you could set that equal to I don't know, like a number, and then
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
yeah,
And it has premeditated, predetermined.
media
Um,
queries. Yeah,
yeah. Shit. It's been
yeah,
a long
Bootstrap
time.
is dope. I just have to do a little bit of research into, or just play around with it a little bit. Actually, I also got to refactor like these cards. I just put these images here as placeholders. These cards are not going to look anything like this when I'm done with it. It's
Mm-hmm.
actually going to be like more
Like a
full
bigger.
size cards with
Yeah.
text on it. And then the images are going to be images of like my different projects. I just put those there as placeholders for now. But
Right.
yeah, it's going to take quite a while for me to get this website proper, but I'll get it done. All right, let me kill that. Damn, no setups right now.
Mm-mm. This soccer game better be good today.
Oh, who's playing?
Colombia,
Versus who?
Venezuela.
Mm.
Which they kind of suck, but they've always been like one of
Venezuela?
those. Venezuela, yeah, Venezuela sucks, but they've always also done. They always do good against Colombia. It's weird. It's like that rivalry.
Yeah.
So it's last time they played was here in Tampa actually. Last year, was it last year? Yeah, last year they came here and played in Tampa, friendly game, and I was gonna go see it, and I didn't, and I'm happy I didn't because I saw it through. It was just a fucking boring game to watch. But this is the first time they're playing. Colombia's playing since this year actually, and it's the opening of the world qualifiers,
Nice.
the first round in Europe and in South America. The only one's not doing it, I think, is Central America and North America. So no Haiti games or Jamaica games until next year.
Yeah, Jamaica always disappoints anyway, so whatever.
No,
They
but
put
they went to the World Cup, right? Last time, didn't?
a World Cup.
No,
No.
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 They never. Wait, but you say like they've never made it to the World Cup? They never made it to the World Cup
Let me see when the
because
last time
because
Jamaica made it to the World Cup.
because usually the ones who make the World Cup from North America or from that, it's Mexico, U.S. for sure. Always go to bastards.
Jamaica has qualified for the World Cup finals once in
When?
1998.
Oh shit.
Once.
1998.
Yeah.
That was a good World Cup. France.
Like Jamaica always puts together like these hyped up teams, like that have like good players, but they just always like underperform.
Yeah, that's
Like they have like good individual pieces, but it just doesn't come together.
yeah, but that's a common problem with all teams because they don't play together as much.
Yeah,
That's what happens in Colombia too. Like you have all these stars playing all these different leagues all around the world, but they never play together. So when you put them together,
it's
is
weird. Yeah,
is yeah, exactly. It's like and these guys haven't played like right now. Nobody has played together in a year, so it's gonna everybody's gonna suck. I think everybody's gonna be like all over the place. That's why it's gonna be interesting to watch. Copa America was supposed to be in Colombia in June, July. That was gonna be awesome. I was gonna go watch it. I was gonna go to at least one game, but of course, COVID happened.
looks like stock market is sending stuff on reversals.
So what?
It's sending stuff on reversals. Everything that just happened.
Oh, it opened up again.
The stock market.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's 9:30, so the market just opened. But I'm saying is it's reversing all the moves that were just made, or most of them.
Hmm.
Jeez, UJ just took off, bro. Yo,
UJ?
yeah. Damn, I didn't see this coming. I had it set up and all, but I didn't expect it.
Wow, level to level right there. Blink of an
Damn.
eye.
I didn't expect it because all these JPY pairs were heading bullish. And I plotted this level on UJ, but I'm like, well, all these JPY pairs are heading bullish, so I don't really expect this to go.
They're all pulling
Kind of
back
overlooked
though.
it. Damn. That would have been a solid trade too. I'm hungry. I might order some breakfast. No, we got stuff here. I shouldn't do that. I just don't feel like making it, man. I need a damn chef. I'm telling you. All these menial tasks. Then I have to wash the dishes after, and it's like, such a waste of time.
There's some stuff that I like to do like that because it takes my mind off of stuff.
Honestly, these days I just like to work. Anything that distracts me from work is really annoying. Like, like if I'm not working, like then my leisure time, I'll probably like watch a show or catch up on some kind of entertainment. And if I'm not doing that, then I like to like go to the gym and work out. Improve my body, stay in shape, right?
Right.
Like if I'm not doing that, then I need to be sleeping. Because, you know, like anything else is just feels like such a massive waste of time.
Sound like a workaholic.
That's just how I feel these days. There's nothing better to do.
Probably right.
Like going to the grocery store, I have to do that like once a week, and it's like, it's such a pain. The stuff needs to just be delivered to me and prepared for me.
want to be like Johnny Depp and millions of dollars and all this bullshit just to live.
How do you blow all this money like that?
He has like 40 employees in his house. Every one person for every little
40
mundane
employees?
task. I don't know if it's 40, but it's like it's his overhead just for the way he likes to live is it's ridiculous. So it's like you're saying, like everybody there's somebody for everything.
What, does he have a guy that brushes his teeth? I mean,
Probably.
jeez.
Be right back, bro. I said her, not yours, Judy. I would never do that. Whoa! It's good, Mark. What are you doing? Yeah.
With who?
Zay. What do you
And
mean?
who else?
Nobody else.
Who are these people?
That's another video. Then. Today's Emily's birthday.
Who's in here? Oh, okay.
Bye.
Bye, baby. I'll be right back. Tell
All
him I
right.
said happy birthday. No, I totally
You tell me.
forgot about it for a little bit.
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't think anything else gonna happen, bro.
Hmm?
I don't think anything else is gonna happen today. I'm gonna call it.
Yeah, probably not right now. I'm gonna keep watching some stuff. I think some stuff is probably gonna shape up throughout the course of this day. I just have a feeling about that.
Yeah, remember it's Friday though.
Huh?
Remember it's Friday though.
Friday? Yeah, I know. Just I don't like because of those morning moves. I don't really think like that was a fluke. Like I think those moves are probably gonna continue somehow. I just want to keep an eye on it to see what happens with that.
Yeah. Ah,
Yeah, I'm gonna make some breakfast and get to the rest of my stuff.
yeah. All right, bro. Have a good weekend.
All right, man. You too.
Talk to you Monday.
Later.